Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can make a PayPal account in Italy. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, access your paypal.com or either of your browser or app in your mobile phone or your desktop. Then from over here, you're going to go to the section of sign up. Choose your account type, either personal or business, and tap on get started. Now you're going to be choosing your country or region. Now you're going to go ahead, search it up Italy, or you can type in Italy right over here. You can see it is available in your region, so it is no problem to get started. Tap on get started, go ahead, enter your email. Once you've added your email, tap on next. It has automatically changed the language itself. Go ahead, do that, and you will be able to go through the step of adding in your password and setting up your account. Once you have done that, you will go ahead, add in your payment method. You can add some funds in your PayPal, and you're good to go. That's basically how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.